loves, welcome back to another vlog. Happy New Year. I just went to a grocery outlet and got myself some flowers. Oh, one of them's having problems. Oh well. But I have to keep my traditions alive. I buy myself flowers once a week, and I haven't in like 4 weeks, so we gotta get back on it. But we are back to work today, and yeah, we gotta get back to making this money, honey, because we are gonna rock this year. We're gonna save. We're gonna plan some amazing trips for 2026. So we're gonna hit the books and the work hard this year. So I love you guys, and I hope you had a wonderful new year. But yeah, let's get to it. Let's rock this year. I can't wait to show you guys my vision board. I'll show you that in a few moments when I get back home. And I've just been working on my house and getting things together. And I've got some goals for like getting a new fridge and like just making my house feel like a home. Like I've been there for 3 years, or I bought my house, what, 3 years ago? 4 years ago. 4 years ago in February. Woo, child. So let's get this. Let's do it. Hi, babies. I'm just kidding. Hi, babes. So I am off to work. I love this quick weave ponytail. So it's actually a quick weave under here, and the perimeter of my hair is out, and then I just pull it up into the ponytail so I can rock my ponytail for like 2 weeks. Because I don't like when you do like the glued on ponytail. Like I feel like that doesn't last. So, and it's a better protective style for my hair, so my edges can breathe, but the rest of my hair is protected, and it's not like pulled up into a tight ponytail. Only the weave and like my perimeter is in the ponytail. So yeah, but we are getting ready to go to work. I was so sick, my nose was chapped, like, and it like, it's scarred. It was so bad, but that's neither here nor there. So we are leaving for work, and we get to go in early so we can get off early because there's nothing to do because nobody's really back yet. I was gone for 3 weeks. I enjoyed my vacation, so make sure you stay tuned for all of the travel vlogs. One will be going up on the 11th. I already posted the night in Miami, and I'll be posting embarkation day soon, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you rate, comment, and subscribe, and follow me and hit that notification bell so you can know when I post. But yeah, so we are off to work. I've been sleeping really good, no medication, no nothing, so that's a good sign. But we're gonna head to work and make this money, honey. I'm close. Oh,
make him sit. Make him sit.
Can you sit?
Guys, sit.
He's like, oh. She's got me. I'm her sugar daddy. You want my channel? Yeah. YouTube channel. Look at it's a Life of Faye, or you can say Lux Faye, which is yeah, this food is Lux. Are you ready?
Yay!
Woo!
Yes!
Oh, I'm just kidding. Oh, I'm just glad to be in my fluffy shoes. The fluffy shoes. My feet were hurting.
I can't touch them.
I touch everything. This is so cute. The sad thing is they have no resale value, and they resell for. I take video from a YouTube channel.
They let you.
What do you mean they let you? It ain't got shit to do with let. I'm gonna do it anyway. And people like, remember, not everybody can shop in store, so they watch YouTube videos to see what they like.
I know.
Ooh, this one's cute.
They want you to break.
It's like the Dior book tote, but a tiny one.
I know.
But winter's gonna be over. Suede. And Bottega Veneta. So you know that little red book holder that I gave you? Yeah. This is the brand that is by, is Bottega Veneta. That you put your Bible in. But it's actually a purse. It's a camera bag.
It's actually a purse, huh?
Yes, it's a purse.
But it has no thing.
It does. It just it's supposed to have a black strap, but it didn't come with it, so I got it for a discount.
Yeah, it has those squiggly that
It has an area to attach them.
Can you hear me talking now?
Of course you can. I just delete it later.
Okay.
And I talk over it in a voiceover.
Yeah, but I like it, but I want it to have a strap.
Yeah. Either a camera bag or like, that's cute. I think that's new. This is from last season. No, you don't. Oh, that's cute. But this is what I was gonna get, but I don't put enough stuff in a bag to do that. Oh, I didn't even know they have this.
That's cute.
I need a black purse because I sold all of them. This is darling. Look how cute this mini bag is. Because it's worse.
When it was 2024, I didn't see it.
Because it's worse now. Oh, ew. Marc Jacobs.
Always be in here. I didn't see a little lock and everything.
Right?
It's all different.
Yeah, because people are thieves more nowadays.
I know, it's terrible. Yeah,
How are you ladies doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm like,
Good,
wow.
Remember I bought all those charms and I don't have a bag that really goes. It depended on the store. You didn't come in Nordstrom and stuff.
I just didn't see all these persons.
Because you weren't looking for it.
That's true.
You're not going to see what you're not looking for. And I'm going to have to make an appointment now, I guess.
What?
Battle in my life. I can't think that's it. I'ma deal with the towel. Cause a nigga only gon' do what you allow. You want this gun smoke. Then the text what you know. She can dump me. You don't make it ring, 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 ring. I can't keep this on the low. I want you to make it ring, 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 ring. Used to be on my line, on my
Good morning, friends. We are waiting in the car until the groomers opens to take Stormy for her grooming appointment today. Cause baby look a mess. Look at cutie. Cutie look a mess. And cutie stinks. So we are grooming her today, and then Cosmo and Coalie will go next week. Because it's too much for me to try to take all the babies at once. And then I'm gonna go get my car washed because the car needs it. It hasn't been washed since before I left for vacation. So she's in dire straits. Look at Mamacitas. Hey, Mamacitas. Hey, Mama. She can't wait for your hair to be out of your face. But she's a darling. She's my darling. My little darling. Okay, darling. Okay, darling. But yeah, it's almost time. We have a few more minutes. So this is her before. My little raggy muffin. Hey, little raggy muffin. And then I'll show you guys her after.
And tell my niggas murder team bitch caught about a week ago.
Stormy, sit. Cosmo, sit. Sit. Good morning, babes. I am trying to get through some clothes to go to brunch. I just finished my hair. I still have the quick weave ponytail style, and I just straightened my ends, curled my little baby hairs, and I tried to do the little pin curl look. I've never done it before. And then I wanted to do like the faux bangs, but I didn't want them in my face, so I just pinned it and put a little swoop-de-swoop, and I just did some little edges, baby. And I'm gonna get dressed and show you guys my outfit, and I hope you guys like it because it's gonna be like winter cold, we're outside theme. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, so I'm gonna get dressed and see you in a second. That's like, that's right up my alley. Woo. I love it.
And this is not ordinary gravy. Look at that.
I don't care. It's so gravy and rice. It's great. Alrighty, babes. So I have this dress on from Shein, some stockings, and some little shoes. I can't wait to finish this living room.
But instead of hitting snooze for the third.
Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. I am gonna go get gas go to Marshall's, go to the doctor. All right, babes, I am at the doctor's office, but I am like an hour early. So, I'm gonna do this little Hermes unboxing. I bought a wallet from the Real because it was like 50% cheaper to do a pristine condition pre-loved than to buy it brand new from the Hermes website. And baby, save your coin wherever you can, because I know I do. So I'm opening it. It's just a card holder, but I wanted a different card holder than the little keychain thing that I bought from what's it called, that I bought from Louis Vuitton for Christmas. So comes in a little package, and it comes with the little real tag. Oh, it's so soft. I love Hermes leather. I'm never going back to anything else. But this is the little card holder. It's just a little green one. It actually matches my whole outfit. So yeah, there's that. It's really soft. I love it. It's pretty cool. It's a little smaller than I thought, but I'm gonna fit my stuff in it and then show you what fits in it, because yeah, I just wanted something small, slide my cards in and keep it pushing. Oh, there's like something inside of this. Let's see what is this. Oh, another little real thing. So originally they had it listed for $45, but I think I got it for like $300. But yeah, so that's this cute little thing. Oh, so cute. All right, I'm gonna put my stuff in it and show you what fits. All right, babes, I'm back. So I had to take 2 of my cards out that were inside of my little Louis Vuitton keychain, key holder, whatever. So this is the size in comparison to the key holder. It's actually a little bit smaller. So, and it's not as pliable or like stretchy as, or like, you know what I mean? You can't open it as wide. So it's actually pretty snug. So I was able to put some monies in there, and I think 6 cards, 6, 2, 4, yeah, like almost 6 cards. And then like some little odds, ends, and bits, but I'm pretty sure over time it'll like stretch a little bit, which is kind of what I'm hoping, without popping any seams. But yeah, that's that. I hope you like this little unboxing, and yeah, I'll have more coming, because I'm gonna do the real haul video, because I'm stuck on pre-love now that I don't know, I'm just not into paying the full price anymore. Like, because why, if I don't have to, you know. All right, so let me chill, because doctors always makes my anxiety go through the roof, and then my blood pressure's like, ah, and they're like, oh, well, you have to sit for a second, and I was like, well, you stress me out. So my blood pressure is great when I take it at work, but whatever. So yeah, all right, love you guys. Y'all, look at my little boo-boo. I can't wait to get him an outfit. So cute. And then my new bag, you'll see it in the real haul from Valentino Garavani. My lunch, and then I got dog hair everywhere all the time. It just is what it is at this point. But let me flip the camera. We are moisturized. I need a lash fill, but I'm gonna start learning to do individual lashes myself, because they keep playing in my face. But I curled my little quick weave ponytail, fixed my edges, and I'm ready to go. Me and Handsome. I'm getting ready to take Handsome to go get his hair cut, because baby's looking rough, but groomers round 2. Kisses? No. He's like, bitch, I don't want to be in the car. Where are you taking me? Happy Saturday, babes. So I just dropped off Cosmo, and I went to Costco and got my gas. So now I'm gonna go into Marshall's, because I need to find a like 20 by 30 frame for my vision board poster, and then I want to try to find some more little gold frames for my accent wall, and then I'm going to be painting that wall today, or the 2 side walls, so I got to find some gold decorations for that. But yeah, so your girl is going to do a little bit of shopping. I haven't been to Marshall's in a really long time, because I do not go to malls, shopping centers, anything like that during the holidays. Not a fan. So yeah, I am wearing a long sleeve crop top, some sweatpants, my little belly. And this little puffer jacket that I got from Target. And then I just put my hair in a ponytail. It's a mess because I literally got ready in like 15 minutes to take Cosmo because I wanted to sleep in and I'm so tired. But that's neither here nor there. We are gonna head in Marshall's and see what we can find. All right, let's go. Super cute. Looks like a Colt Gaia bag. I like that. Aldo bags. Oh, I love a good suede bag, but that's fake. The fake Valentino Mr. Mario Valentino, not Valentino Garavani. What is this? Oh, this is cute. This Aldo bag comes with a little star bag charm. I do not like crowded spaces at all. Oh, this is cute. Oh, too bad it has writing on it. I hate that. Juicy Couture. Not cute. 25 bucks. Oh, this is a cute little travel bag. I like that, but it feels flimsy. Sunglasses. There's some good perfumes. Flowerbomb. Ooh, Fenty. Never a color. Ooh, $4.25. I might get this because I want a big one. Coffee time. My little favorite, please. He's handsome and back from the groomers, but now you're all wet from drinking water. Are you glad he's home? I just finished at grocery outlet. I got some stuff before work, and I got my weekly flowers. Always buy yourself flowers. Don't wait for anyone. So I got my weekly flowers, and I am headed to work. I'm like 15 minutes away. But yeah, I'm ready. Let's go with my little bun. It's nap time. It's nap time. Nap time.
I was like, you love me? She was like, yeah, I really love you. I was like, thank you. And he was like, nah, I ain't gonna say thank you. And he got mad. And he ended up cussing me out and telling me he got me a Christmas gift, but he wasn't gonna give it to me because I told him thank you and I told
So I guess I gotta stay now.
Oh, I hope someday